Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view and analyze EM client files and folders. Let's start by downloading PC.sim client converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab and see the list, Software Support Many Email Client and File Format. Now, go to the Open tab and choose EM Client Accounts option. If you have EM Client email client configured on a machine, click on Open Configured EM Client Data Files. Otherwise, select Choose from a Folder option. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now, tap on the EM Client email mailbox for the data preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. Please choose the required EM Client folder. It's fantastic that you can see the email content and other details such as email properties, signature, sender information and more. If that EM client mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Message Header tab. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this EM Client viewer, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. The solution also provides the view of raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. Search option is another important feature of this tool. There are two types of search option available with this software: Quick Search and Advanced Search. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now, enter a keyword in the search field as shown in the video, and you will see the results highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Go to Advanced Search. Mark emails in the search box. Now, pick the message field you want to search for information from, such name, subject, from, to, CC, and more. We are selecting the content field. Enter the keyword you want to search in the emails and then click on the Find button. The tool gives instant results. Click on the email and see the keyword. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. The Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.